Hello guys, this is Avas and I bought DJI Action 2 today, and though I know it's been a month, a little more than maybe a month it was launched, and so I bought dual screen combo. I'm very excited to open it, and well, let's check it out, guys. Alright. That's, I think, the menu. Yep. And it looks like this. So cute, isn't it? Let's check the camera module. That's the camera module. And that's a touchscreen battery. Let's check the rest of the things, then we connect it, and yeah, this is the mount. It's all magnetic actually. I checked that already on YouTube, and it's quite amazing. I do use DJI drones. A couple of drones I have, and they're quite amazing actually. Let's see how camera looks like. Oh wow, so cute. A tiny little camera, action cam. So that looks cute. And let's check the yep. So let me open that. It looks like this. It's a touch screen, and it's a battery as well, and touch screen. So it looks like, wow, it's really strong. Oh, there's a bridge on the top. If you guys can see here, you need to press from both sides to untie it, and there you go. Got on as well for a few seconds. This is touch screen. Basically, it's a battery touch screen module. And let's rip this off. So, isn't it so cute? A tiny little monster. Let's try again. Yep, it's great. So you cannot separate them until you press this both sides. There's a bridge, so you press that, and there you go. It's basically dual screen. One is on here on this side, one is this side. See, this is the mount. You can put on the top of tripod. It's a strong magnet though, like, there you go. So this mount fits on the top, and then you can fit the camera on the top, and then you can fit it on the top of, I've got actually DJI tripod, so it's perfect for it. Then you can release that. Yep, there you go. It looks fine. So let's see what else is in the box. So we got one mount, and this is something else here. You have to tear it up. otherwise it's not possible to open it. Yep. So there is another mount. I think it fits on the top of this. Let's try again. Yep, it fits on the top of that mount. So guys, let's check the rest of the box. So we opened two portions from each side. So it had one action cam, on its side battery module, and then we opened this one before, and now let's check the other side. So there is a USB-C cable with it. Well, I never know what's that, but it's always in all kind of things, like do not eat that, so we leave it here, not eating that. And then we got this thing here. Let's check it out. Yeah, it opens up nicely. Not really nicely, but better than before. So, yep, it's another mount. Yep. So it fits here, and to open up there's always a bridge, so just press that and it just really it releases. Actually, it needs still a bit of effort, and so let's do it again. So this is the mount, and you just need to bring it, and it adjusts itself, and you just need to bring that close. So press that and release. There you go. It's quite a strong magnet, to be honest. So this is the mount. This you can connect with the tripod. It has two holes down here, so it's for the tripod or even stick. I think this is probably the last. Yeah, this is the last one, which is in the box. Let's see what it is, and yeah, that's cool. That's probably the magnetic string. Quite a strong magnet. You can adjust it wherever you want. Alright, it got a tiny this slide as well, so it can stick on the top of this thing, and then you connect this. You can see the small dots here. This is all magnet actually. It's even in here as well. You can see the small dots, so it connects with that, you know, like let's try once more. Yep, there you go. So what you can do is, let's see, it's adjustable. Yeah, it is. And make it a bit wider as you wish, or however you want, like just hang it in the neck. So just put that in your shirt and you can stick it with it, and it stays stable. Like you can adjust the string however you want, so it's not gonna fall, believe me. It's a very strong magnet. This is it. I think the box is empty. That's it, guys. Hope you liked my unboxing. I'm not a big expert, so I cannot review this thing really great, but I'll make a few videos of it and will show you you guys. And I hope you liked my unboxing video, and subscribe my channel and give me a thumbs up. Cheers. Thanks a lot. Bye.